Hi guys, in today's video you are going to learn how to edit a received email in Outlook in 2026. Now before hopping into this video, you need to remember that Outlook doesn't let you change the original message permanently, but it is going to give you a clean way to add the notes, to fix the subject lines and update the details for your own reference. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, open your Outlook application. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of home and look for the option of inbox. Once you are in your inbox, simply double click on that particular email which you want to add it so that it opens it in a new window. Now, once you see the email opened just like so, you just have to look at the top ribbon and click on the option of messages tab. Now here in the messages tab, if you want to change the subject line of the email, simply click inside the subject box and type your new title. Outlook is going to save this update locally and it only changes the way the email appears in your inbox. To add the notes inside the messages, you can anytime click on the option of the actions button on the ribbon and select the option of edit message. Now the entire email becomes editable. You can scroll to the bottom or the top and you can type the notes, highlights or the reminders. You can also remove any kind of extra text if you want to keep only the important part for yourself. When you are finished editing, simply just close the window and save when Outlook asks. This updates the modified copy in your mailbox. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.